Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I just got home from picking up a Walmart grocery order and I just love just driving up and I just put in what parking spot I'm in and they bring the groceries out to me. So I've been making my list of all the groceries all week that we need and it's just awesome. I can just drive up, they bring it out and I don't even have to get out. I usually like to help them load it up in the back of my car because I just don't think that's fair that they have to load everything. But it's really awesome. I just love that service that they have. I did get a couple substitutions this week, which they used to give you the substitute at the price of the original item that you wanted, but they've changed that. It's kind of a bummer, so I don't always approve all the substitutes, but they are really great service. Love it. I just have everything. I basically reorder a lot of stuff each week that we eat because we like a lot of the same things and it's super easy. So I just kind of go through my app and just check everything that we need for each week. So I love it. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got this week for our groceries. This is a collaboration video. It's with Jessica Myrose and with Small Town 6. I just love when they put on these grocery haul collaborations. So make sure you check out the playlist that'll be linked in my description box of everybody's grocery hauls. It's so fun to see what everybody gets for the week. And also I will link Jessica and Tiffany's channels in the description as well. So I am going to show you my groceries, show you our meal plan for the week. I will be meal prepping all of this on Saturday, so make sure you come back and check that video out as well. If you're new to my channel, also click the subscribe button and the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. So I'll show you everything I got for the week.
First, I'm going to jot down the meal plan for everything. So today's Tuesday, so I'm going to start with Tuesday. I'm just going to list out each day and some dinner ideas. We don't necessarily have to have each thing on each day, but this definitely helps me stay a little bit organized on what we have available for the week. And I also try and kind of make a little note if we have something going on. So Saturday, we have a function, so we're going to be eating out at that. Tuesdays and Thursdays, the boys have t-ball, and so I need super easy dinners for those nights because we're going to get home a little bit later. So tacos are our go-to. The boys love them. They beg for them every night. And then Thursday we have another t-ball game. So I'm going to do a crock pot beef and broccoli so that it's ready to go. Wednesday, we'll have some chicken. We always do a veggie, usually broccoli or edamame. Friday, another family favorites, hamburgers. And Sunday, we like to have anything that's still easy. You guys, I always love easy, even on the weekends. So we'll do chicken apple sausage and a veggie, and I think we'll do edamame with that this week. The boys love all kinds of veggies, so I'm going to also jot down what I'm going to meal prep for this weekend, and I'm going to do a huge video this weekend, so come back, you guys, and check it out. But I'm going to do for breakfast, I'm going to prep a couple of things. I'm going to do a breakfast sandwich, and I'm going to do some egg and ham breakfast cups, egg cups, and those are my favorite. Love them. My husband loves breakfast sandwiches, so I'm going to prep a bunch of those. I'm going to do some snacks. I'm going to do some green muffins for the kids. They love when I pick them up from school with some green muffins with me. I'm going to do smoothies, and then my snack packs that I just take on the go. Love them. For lunch this week, I'm going to make mason jar salads. You guys know I love mason jar salads. They are definitely my favorite. And since we always have tons of taco meat, I'm going to do taco mason jar salad. And then I'm going to make for my husband pinwheels with turkey on a low carb wrap. And then I'm going to make prep a couple of crock pot meals that will be ready to go for this week. So we're going to have in a couple days the crock pot beef and broccoli. I will prep that up, and a crock pot beef stew. So that's everything for this week.
All right, so here is all the groceries from the pickup for the week, and I was really happy to get all these groceries for $175.34. Definitely always trying to keep it under $200. And I love a Walmart pickup, and I could get the toilet paper as well at the same time. So all of our food for the week. I got some carb balanced tortillas. I actually got the wrong size. It's totally my fault. This is the taco size. I wanted the burrito size, but that's okay. We love these carb balanced tortillas. They are 3 carbs per tortilla, so that's awesome. Lots of shredded cheddar cheese. We have our milk. I'm going to do some breakfast sandwiches this week. So I have these English muffins. These are really awesome for freezer meals as well. With those sandwiches, I'm going to have some Canadian bacon, sliced cheese, and I have some ham. I'm going to do some egg ham cups for breakfast meal prep this week. You guys know I always have to talk about my eggs every single week because they're so expensive. I got these eggs this week for $6.12. That is the cheapest I have gotten them in so long. It's really exciting. I'm so happy that the price of eggs is starting to go down. So I have our sliced cheese for sandwiches, some turkey for sandwiches. I got some chicken noodle soup. I was gonna make a batch of chicken noodle soup. I've been craving it ever since my friend Bree over at Bree's Beautiful Life shared hers. And so I've been craving it, so I got a couple of those. We got our almond milk and our regular milk. My kids weren't drinking a ton of milk last week, so I just got a smaller one this week. We got some graham crackers, a nice little treat to have. Some pancake mix. We always have to make sure we have tons of that stocked up. My favorite snack, cottage cheese, you guys know. Our yogurt for the week. Croutons for salad. I have some beef broth. I'm going to be doing a crock pot, a couple beef recipes. So I got some beef broth. Have oatmeal and sandwich thins. I've been getting pretzel sticks lately. Benjamin loves them and his snack for school. I'm really lucky I don't have to make him a lunch every day for school. They do a free hot lunch at his school, so he does have to take an afternoon snack, and he wants these pretzel sticks instead of the twists. So he gets those. I have my sugar-free vanilla syrup. I add this into my matcha tea in the morning. It is so good. I've been out for a week and I have been dying without it. I have our tortilla chips. We usually eat about a bag a week. Stocked up on some corn, some cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, tons of bananas. I'm going to make some smoothies for meal prep for some snacks. So I got a ton of bananas. My family goes through them so fast. Avocados as well. Green tea. My husband and I both drink green tea. Our dentist's telling us that it's staining our teeth, but we drink it, and I've been trying to drink the matcha lately instead of green tea to try and help those stains, I guess. I have a cucumber I'm going to do, I can't go very long without making my mason jar salads. So for meal prep this week, I'm going to do mason jar taco salad. So I have a cucumber for that. Broccoli for one night for dinner. Tons of apples, you guys. We have been going through a bazillion apples. I should probably plant an apple tree. The kids want them every day. Benjamin wants me to pick them up from school with sliced apples ready to go, but I don't every day. So lots of apples. I have been getting this romaine lettuce instead of, I used to get, it was a package of like 3 romaine hearts, but this one's way cheaper and I like it actually a little bit better. So I've been getting this romaine lettuce, and that'll be for my mason jar salads. I got these mini ice cream sandwiches, and they are a really great size. They are perfect for the kids if I need to bribe them a little bit, to eat all of their veggies. They are 190 calories, but they're really small and great to have for a special treat if they are being good, eating well. You guys know I can't go to the grocery store without picking up pancake and sausage on a stick. My kids would not be happy with me. So also I have a bunch of beef. And I'm going to do a beef stew, and I'm going to do a beef and broccoli. So I have a celery, carrots, a broccoli. We also have chicken and a big thing of bacon. It's been a little while since I've made a pack of bacon. I always do it in my air fryer. If you guys have seen those videos, I just air fry up the whole batch. It comes out perfect. I have our spinach. The boys absolutely love green spinach muffins and they beg for them all the time, so I make them all the time. And then I have some vanilla ice cream for my husband. Last week I got him the cheap Walmart brand because I usually like the Great Value products, and he did not care for it all that much. So I got him the real stuff this week, so he'll be super happy. So here's all of our groceries. I'll also share with you our dinner plan and lunch plan for the week. Like I said earlier, check the description box. I'll have a link to Jessica's channel and to Tiffany's channel. They're so awesome to put this collaboration together. I have so much fun doing these grocery hauls, showing you guys everything that I got for the week. I have tons of other grocery hauls on my channel, so check them out. I'll put a link to my last one at the end of this video. So once you're done with this video, you can check the last grocery haul that I did was awesome also. And then don't forget to come back on Saturday. I'm going to prep all of this meal prep for the week, breakfast, lunch, snacks. I'm gonna do a couple crock pot dinner preps. So come back on Saturday and check that out. I hope that you guys all have a really awesome rest of your week. I'll see you all soon. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hope that you have a really great day. Bye-bye.